subject Chemistry, class 9th, chapter name Matter in Our Surrounding. Today in this video we will cover following the topic: what is matter, what is the composition of matter, and what are the properties, particles of matter, and on the basis of physical properties, states of matter. Right? So this is a classification on the basis of physical properties, right? States of matter. And then after states of matter, we will study changes in states of matter, right? Then in states of matter, interconversion states of matter, chemical process involved in this interconversion of matter, right? Now we will begin this topic first from what is matter. Now, according to classical physics and general chemistry, matter is any substance that has mass and takes up space by having volume, right? Again, I am repeating, matter is any substance that has mass and takes up space by having volume. Or second definition, anything that causes mass, occupies space, and of which physical properties are made up of. Children, in these two definitions, three things are coming. Now, there is a great connection of mass, volume and space. Right? They have a connection to justify matter. Now I am taking an example. This is a marker in my hand. Yes, it is a matter because it has a mass, it has a space, and it has a volume. That is why it is matter. Now another example we are taking up, right? That is thought. Our thought. Is it matter? No, because no space, no mass, no volume. That is why thought, hate, love, they are not matter. All right. So after covering this, then we will come to the next topic, composition of matter. See, when do we see any substance, physical substance, they are according to the classical physics or chemistry, they are made up of particles, right? And these particles are very small in size, and particles have a mass, right? So mass, and they are very small in size, or we would say tiny particles. Now, characteristics of particles of matter. First point, the particles of matter is made up of atom and molecules. The particles of matter has constant motion. You know what? So that is why every matter has expiry date because of this property. Next, they have the particles of matter have force of attraction. They have a spaces. They have a space. So these are the properties of particles of matter. Now I'm taking up next third topic, that is a classification on the basis of physical properties, right? So they are states of matter. States of matter, as we see on the basis of this class 9, there are 5 states of matter. First, solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and fifth state of matter is Bose, Einstein, condensate, right? So is this way these are 5, or I am adding 2 more, quark, gluon, plasma, and 6 degenerate matter. These are 6th, 7th states of matter. Now they are just beyond of our classes. In class only there are 3 states of matter we will discuss. Clear? So now we will take up what is the 4th state of matter, and it is not part of the course. Still, I am just for information point of view, what is plasma? Plasma, you see, Plasma is hot ionize of gases. Hot ionize of gases. Second, plasma is made up of electrically charged particles. Third, plasma is strongly influence electric field and magnetic field, right? So this is little information about the plasma. Or examples, lightning or welding arc, firewall of nuclear explosion. Firewall of nuclear explosion. So these are the example of plasma. Or sun. Sun, including stars, they are all made up of plasma, and many more examples. And the plasma, one more important, in our body, human body present blood contains plasma also. Nowadays this word is also relevant in in the treatment of coronavirus. Plasma therapy is going to be used. This plasma we can extract from the human blood, affected person, corona affected person. So this is information about plasma. Now fifth state of matter is Beck, Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose means scientist from India. Einstein means scientist from German. So it was an Indo-German effort to discover fifth state of matter. That is a Beck, right? So in one line here I am to give you a little information. What is Beck? Beck is formed by cooling of gases due to extremely density, about extremely low density, about 1 upon 100,000 part about of normal density of air, 1 upon 100,000 part normal density of the air, to ultra low temperature. This ultra low temperature we will understand another way, that is absolute zero temperature, absolute zero temperature, or mathematically minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. This ultra low temperature or absolute zero temperature, now it is just hypothetical imaginary temperature. Absolute zero, it is lowest hypothetical imaginary temperature. Clear? So this information was about fifth state of matter. Now, according to the class standard, we will study the solid, liquid, gas. It is very important. Now, states of matter. They are, according to class 10 9th, three states of matter are very important. Now, these states of matter arises due to the variation, arrangement of particles, right? This is on the basis of this arrangement of particles, variation is seen in solid state, liquid gas, or solid liquid gas. Now, see the difference, solid liquid gas. Write in tabular form. Solid, children, this is solid, liquid, gas, is in tabular form. First point, see, this is a marker, is a solid. It is also made up of particles, and these particles are very close. We cannot compress, it is hard, it is rigid in nature. So first point, particles in solid state are very close. Particles are very close. First point. Now this distance increases, little increases. Close distance. So here is the difference between solid, liquid, gas. Very simple. First point, take the example of solid and see. Particles are very close each other. Here particles are loose or distance. Second point, particles means force of attraction. Force of attraction is large. Intermediate. Force of attraction is intermediate. Right? Large, intermediate, and force of attraction between particles. Force of attraction is large, intermediate, or minimum. Right? Distance apart. Third point. So force of attraction. Next point, you can see 3 points. In solid state, definite shape. Every solid has definite shape, definite mass, and definite volume. So you can write here definite. Every solid has definite shape, mass, and volume. Liquid, no definite shape. Liquid has mass and volume. Now in gaseous state, volume. Right? So this is a point about this. Next point, we will take a few examples. You can see, right? This is a balloon, and here we are filled with air. Air is a mixture of gases, children. Air is a mixture of gases. Now we can compress this balloon because, yes, as we compress, because of less force of attraction between the gas. So gases means compressibility is very high. In gases, liquid is less or a solid is minimum compressibility factor. So same case, density also. Now liquid, any liquid we will take up. So every liquid, in case of liquid state, liquid can slip and slide due to presence of layer of particles. Clear? So liquid can slip or slide due to presence of layer of particles. This is the point. Next, in solid state, particles are fixed and least kinetic energy in particles. Right? Particles are fixed and least kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Now here, more kinetic energy increases, kinetic energy maximum. Maximum kinetic energy. Next point, solid compressibility is minimum. Compressibility is minimum. Here increases or maximum. Maximum. Now, right? So this way, solid, liquid, gas, we can make distinction. As per class 9, it is very important. Clear? So solid, liquid, gas. Next. So this is a distinguish between solid, liquid, gas. Now revise once again. Points. Number 1, particles are very close. In liquid state, loose, and gases at a specific distance, at a point, specific distance. So very simple. At a sufficient distance apart. Next, force of attraction is very large. Definite shape and volume. Compressibility, fixed position of particles and kinetic energy. Next, fluidity also. Okay. So solid, liquid, gas. So few points. Now this way we have covered matter, composition, properties of matter, properties of particles of matter, classification on the basis of physical properties, and the 5 states of matter. Changes we will not cover. In next video we will cover changes. means changes states, three states of changes, interconversion of three states of matter, right? So this part we will add in next video. Now children, revise very well and also study, refer NCERT textbook, twice thrice study, and this just video will help you as a teaching aid. Thank you children.